Welcome children, welcome to science class. Today we are going to learn about microbes and us. Microbes means very teeny organisms, means microorganisms that we cannot see with our naked eye. That's why with the help of microscope we can find these microorganisms. Okay, now let us see what are the microbes are also called microorganisms. Microorganisms. The meaning of microorganisms. Those living things which are not visible to our eyes are called microorganisms. We can't see this kind of so many organisms. It is found in the air, water and inside the human beings and plants and animals also. Because of their very small in size, they are found in the air, in the water and in the food materials such milk, curd, vegetables and fruits. They even live on plants and animals including human beings. How all the vegetables if you are keeping in outer place, what happen? When it is getting the moisture or warm, it will get spoiled sometimes. Then we are finding like a fungus on the and some food materials also. For example, curd, if you are living so many days, what it will be happen? It will get like a bitter taste or sour taste, and it gets spoiled after few days. If you are observing one like layer like a blackish color, that is called as fungus. Microbiology. The science that deals with the microbes is known as microbiology. The study of microorganisms is called as microbiology. Okay, now we can see the types of microbes. There are some types of microbes. What are they? Bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi. These are the main types of microbes. Now let us learn about from this video about the types of microorganisms. Thank you for watching this video.
Welcome to science class. Microbes are living things which are not visible to our eyes because of their extremely minute size. Microorganisms. This word derived from the Greek word mikros means small, organismos. Organismos means organisms. Antony van Leeuwenhoek discovered in the year of 1675 microbiology. The study of microorganisms is called microbiology. Microbes are the most widespread living things. Did you all observe here? Protozoa, bacteria, algae, fungi and viruses. Microbes found in the air, in water and in the food materials such as milk, curd, vegetables and fruits. They live on plants and animals including human beings. Microbes grow rapidly in various places where they get proper food, moisture and oxygen. Some microbes can grow even without oxygen and suitable temperature. If we do not clean our teeth and mouth properly, microbes can grow rapidly and cause tooth decay. Types of microbes: virus, bacteria, fungi, and protist means protozoa. Types of microbes. There are 4 types of microbes: bacteria, protozoa, viruses, and fungi. Fungi: bread mold, penicillium; algae, Chlamydomonas, Spirogyra; protozoan, amoeba, and paramecium. These are the examples of types of microbes. Bacteria. Bacteria are very teeny creature. Like us, bacteria breathe, take in food, reproduce, and get rid of waste. Bacteria are very small in size. They can be seen through a microscope. Did you all observe? This is the bacteria diagram. Protozoa. Protozoa are single cell microorganisms. Although they are bigger than the bacteria, most of them are far too small to see with the naked eye. Example: amoeba and paramecium. They are found in water bodies such as water pools, ponds, ditches, drains, moist soil. For example, amoeba, paramecium, and euglena are the examples of protozoa. Viruses. Viruses are very small living things that causes diseases in plants and animals. They are smaller than the bacteria and can be seen only with the help of a powerful electron microscope. Viruses are on the borderline of living things and non-living things. Viruses are the smallest microbes. Viruses are the strongest of all microbes. If they are floating around in the air, they are harmless. But if they come into contact with a suitable plant, animal, or even a bacterial cell, they become alive. Examples: bacteriophage, influenza, Ebola, and Helicobacter pylori. Fungi. Fungi are larger in size or like plants, but they do not have chlorophyll to make food, so they have to absorb food from whatever they are growing on. Examples: fungi are mold, mildew, mushrooms, and yeast. Bread mold is a type of fungus that grows on moist bread. Did you all observe here? This is a bread. We are finding on blackish or greenish color fungus on the bread. Bread mold, penicillium, aspergillus are examples of fungus. Next, we are finding mushrooms. It is another example of fungus. And yeast. Now we are going to write assignment. What is called microbes? Write about bacteria. Write the definition of microbiology. Write the example of viruses. Please like this video and subscribe. Don't skip the video till the end.